Hi everyone, this is Daniel and today we go to check out this rather interesting pixel art Bluetooth speaker by Divoom. For many of you is aware that I'm a very big fan of the pixel art speaker by Divoom. This is their latest highest tier model with the model name of Divo. At about $80 US, is it worth your money? Let's check it out together. But first off, let's see what's included in the package itself. We have this, and that's it. Take a look at what's inside the white box itself. We have an audio cable as well as a micro USB charging cable. Let's take a look at what's inside here. We have a very well written manual. 3 postcards. There you go, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. And 3 pixel art sticker. Very nice as well. So let's put everything aside and take a look at the speaker itself. First off, I really like the glossy material. It feels very premium. Felt like ceramic, but I think it's plastic. There's no flex, no crease, and it has a waist to it. It's very premium feel. At the front we have a 16:16 LED display. I was told that it can display up to 16 million color. On the top we have a display knob, volume knob, followed by an input selector and a microphone. This is designed for you to pick up calls and when it's paired up with your phone. At the top we have a 6-watt speaker. At the back we have a subwoofer unit. Flip up this panel and you'll be able to see an on-off switch, auxiliary input, reset pinhole, micro USB charging cable, and something really new. This is a micro SD card reader which you can play MP3 songs off your micro SD card without pairing it to your phone. So that's very useful. Let's take a look at let's try it on the knob itself and see what are the functions available. On the top knob you can change different channel. We have clock, color, animations, more animations, and this display. So on each of the mode itself you can press on the knob to change its different option. There you go. So it's really very cool. And the second knob is the volume. You can press the volume knob to one press will fast forward to next song, double press to reverse back to a previous song, and this is obviously the input selector. Let's change it to this represents aux in and Bluetooth. Let's see. I believe I already paired out it with my iPhone itself. Let's check it out. Is it paired? Yes, it's paired. And we should play some music and songs and test out how well the speaker is. There you go. Let's play a song. Pardon the YouTube advertisement.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose.
Let's try out on the bass itself and see how well it performs.
So I could see how you react to me. So much different I am.
Now I must say the sound is very well balanced. It's not artificially boosted. Some of the other speakers like to boost its bass on treble. I don't like that idea. I like it to be natural, well composed. There's no cracking of any sort even if I boost the volume to the maximum. So it's very well done, very controlled. At 6-watt volume, you can actually hear this. You can feel out. I mean, you can feel out a small room, or it's more meant for personal use. But I do like the sound signature. So all in all, the sound and volume, it's very good. So now let's go and take a look at its application and see what are the functions available. Oh, you go. So right off at the home, you can actually have design. This is where you can design your own graphics, and it's going across in real time, so that's very nice. You can have animations, so you can actually design out different slides for it to be animated. For example, I do a 1 followed by you. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we can have LE data. This is where you can input your own text. Once done, it will do scroll. So it's a scrolling text. Very useful as well. Over here it says hello everyone. We have tools, and tools, after pair up your phone, you can actually turn on and off for notification for all the social as well as phone notification. We have planners and calendar. That's where you can actually use this speaker to buzz you on certain important events, right? You can do stopwatch as well, so you can start and stop. Okay, reset. We have scoreboard. This is where you can keep track of the games that you are playing with your friend. We have a noise meter. This will monitor the amount of noise that you have. Okay, let me just give it a try. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. So those are good as well. We have game, right? Oh wow, we have Tetris. Let's give it a go. Tetris. Let's play this, right? Tetris. Okay, then right, we can play Tetris. It's good. It's cool. And we have kind of like a jackpot thing. And then we have dice. Alright, and then we have scoreboard. Not this, we have after dice we have cool. It says ask a question and get a magical answer. Let's try. Is All Things China going to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month? Even this is really ridiculous. I think it's just giving me a random answer. Let's try another one. So this is Astro Battle. Let's give it a try. That's quite fun. That's really quite fun. So let's take a look at countdown meter. Okay, and what else do we have? We have tools. Oh yeah, we just go through tools. So we have sleep time. What is sleep time? Alright, then we have other things. So sleep time will play through some very calm music or natural sounding noise for you to assist you in falling asleep. So that's nice. We have alarm, music. Music is supposed to play MP3 song from your phone as well as DJ mixer. Wow, this is cool. DJ mixer. Take a look at the graphics. What? I'm interrupted by the timer I set earlier on. Woohoo! Take a look at the graphic. Very nice. So I quite like the DJ mixer, it's very nice. And we have voice memo. Voice memo supposed to alter your voice to make it sound like you're an old guy, a young child, or a lady. So let's try an old guy. I am 81 years old.
I am 81 years old.
Try a baby. I am 4 months old.
I am 4 months old.
Okay, that's it. I'm done. Let's get up from here. I always have this problem of not not been able to get out from the voice alteration mode. It's always stuck in here for a while. I'm not sure how I can get out. Let's turn this thing off and turn it back on again. Okay. Alright, and turn on. Okay, it's Bluetooth connected. Let's see if I'm still in the... Let's see, I'm still in the audio recording. I'm not sure how to get this out. How am I going to get out? Testing.
I am 4 months old.
I'm out. You just have to press the volume button one more time to get up from the voice memo mode. We have channel, the next tab. Channel, it will allow you to change the different options available for the channel knob on the top. Alright, after channel we will have home. This is where you can look at all the different category of graphics or pixel art designed by the user or community of the Divoom itself. So it's quite a lot to choose from. It's really amazing. Okay. Then we have chat. This is where you can chat with the customer service and also settings itself. Settings we have whether to display the song titles, energy saving, as well you can adjust the brightness level of the device itself. So all in all, I would say I highly recommend this. I have a ton of fun playing the game, listening to its songs, as well as playing with the display arts, the pixel arts. I mean, at $80 US, this is on average price, but with the quality that you are getting and the build quality, it's super. So highly recommended. I would like to take this opportunity also to thanks to the sponsor of this device. It's from a Malaysia retailer of Divoom product. I believe the retail shop name is called Mobile Gadget. I don't have their address at this current moment, but I'll leave their retail store front. This is how it looks like. So if you're in Malaysia, do pay them a visit. Huge thank you to them for sponsoring this product. So this is what I do. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this where I review amazing and yet affordable product from China, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, this is Daniel signing out. Goodbye everybody!